Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sherita, and the name of my channel is Unique by Sherita. So, in today's video, I'm going to share a few items that arrived today. Great Mother's Day gifts. And I'm also going to refresh this space and do a little trick with the light bulbs to give my chandelier a different look. So let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. And if you know, you know, there's an item I received back in March that I absolutely love. I have been using it so much that I wanted to share it with my mom. So I did order her one for Mother's Day, and it is the Eureka stick vac, the Eureka cordless stick vac. I'll leave the link to it in the description. I'm also going to share a small clip of the one I received because this is a gift and I didn't want to open the gift. So I'll share a small little clip of the one I have, and I'm also going to be cleaning with it today. And since I was placing an order for my mom from Steve Madden for Mother's Day, I went ahead and picked me up these cute little sandals. I absolutely love them. I think I call them on clearance as well. And I also picked up some slippers or house shoes, if that's what you want to call them. I got a pair for me. Actually, I got me two pair, and I got a pair for my mom. So I got the brown ones for her and a brown pair for me. And I also picked up the leopard color pair. They're absolutely gorgeous and they're comfortable. So I did go ahead and put the leopard pair on. And my daughter did see these and she was like, you could have ordered me a pair. So I did place another order, and for those, as well as some shoes that I want for the summer and spring. But anyway, these are some great gift ideas. This is the other pair. Absolutely love them. I did end up putting them on, and they have a little cushion in them. Not too thick, but just enough for you to feel it. As y'all know, I absolutely love my cordless stick vac from Eureka, and it makes a great Mother's Day gift. This is Eureka's Rapid Clean Pro Lightweight Cordless Stick Vac. And of course, it came with everything we need. The cordless and lightweight design makes it perfect to use throughout your home. When I tell you no cord and it's lightweight and it does the job, I can't wait to show you. So here is the hand vac, and I'm attaching the wand as well as the motorized floor nozzle. And you can really see how movable or flexible the floor nozzle is. And of course, it comes with instructions. And let's detach the floor nozzle as well as the wand. And I'm going to add the crevice tool. And we also have this 2-in-1 upholstery tool. Thank you, Eureka, for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave their link in the description so you can take advantage of the sale they have going on now for Mother's Day. Just an FYI, I did finally order my dining room table. So hopefully it will be here this week and I can share it with you all. And I'm just going to add these gold vases to the dining room table. I shared these in a recent haul. I only had two during the time and I was able to find the third one. And I felt like adding them to the space was perfect for the rest of the gold that's going to be going in the space. these, and they were from Home Goods. So the inspiration behind my chandelier came from these lamps that you see on my credenza. Yes, I finally found some G36 light bulbs from IKEA. I have been looking for these light bulbs forever. Not that I needed them for my lamps, but I wanted them for this chandelier. And I finally found these at IKEA and they were $10. Now, I have purchased the ones from Home Depot for $15. I didn't like them as much because they were the clear bulbs, but you can see the yellow line in them. And I wanted some that were similar to the ones that I have in my lamps, which are the same size as the ones that you see at Home Depot and Lowe's, which are the G36, but they have that yellow line in them. And that yellow line is the LED line, which I absolutely love them, but I did not want that look on this chandelier. So these are more of a smoky gray, almost black, and they do have the LED light or the little line in them, but it's not as noticeable. But they definitely leveled up my chandelier, and this is always a great way to get a different look out of your chandelier or even your lamps by replacing the light bulbs with something that are a little more jazzier. And I did the same thing in my bathroom before. And also remember, we can add lampshades to these types of items as well. Before and after, what a difference some light bulbs can make. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate the space a little bit on camera, but mostly off camera. And my goal here today is to replace any of the pastel or lighter color items with darker color items, as well as maybe something in that jewel family. So that's why I'll be pulling out the lighter color green and replacing it with turquoise. I'm still able to pull those colors from the art in the space. I did go ahead and swap out the black lamps. I had the slimmer black lamp out at first, and I felt like these larger ones will give me the look that I want. I put the slimmer ones in the guest bedroom. So these were originally in my bedroom. Then I moved them to the guest bedroom, and now this is their new home, and they look absolutely gorgeous in the space. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up the few items I have out and finish decorating the space off camera. As you can see, I've already done that, but the main thing I wanted to do is change the fabric on these stools. So this is my second time changing this fabric, and the good thing about it is I didn't replace it, I just covered it. So I'm still able to use the fabric or use these ottomans in their original form. So really simple. I purchased a stapling gun last year. I had to replace the one I had, and I'm just going to use some fabric that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. It was $6. All I needed was a half a yard. So that's what I'll be using just to give these ottomans a different look. I felt like this black was a little too busy for the space, so we're just going to swap them out and move on. Since I'll be covering 2 ottomans, I'm going to use one of the covers as a pattern to cut out the 2 patterns for the ottoman. And as you can see, it does not have to be perfect. Just trim off any excess fabric that you don't want on there and you're good to go. I just used the same screws that were in the ottoman before and I simply screwed them back in place. And you want to make sure that you don't cover the holes with any extra fabric or thick fabric, and you definitely don't want to cover the hole with a staple. And I followed the same steps for the other ottoman and it turned out really nice. And here is the final look. As you know, I do have an open floor plan, so I try to incorporate a consistent color scheme throughout my home just to create a cohesive and polished look. I start with a neutral base color and add pops of color throughout my home using pillows, curtains, artwork, and of course, lamps. You can also use the same color family in different shades and tones throughout your home for a different look also. And always remember, sometimes it's just the little things we do to give our space a different look. Start by shopping your home, changing your light bulbs or lamp shades, changing the fabric on your ottomans, swapping out your curtains. Those are just some simple things we can do to give our space a different look. All right, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you, Eureka, for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave the link to their cordless stick vac in the description, so be sure to check them out. It will make a great Mother's Day gift. All right, and thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. I'll also leave the link for the Steve Madden shoes as well as slippers that I have in the description as well. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.